Welcome to this game to Roblox. I just found this game. I just played it. It says microwave your friend's egg. Yeah, I played this game. It said it's kind of crazy. Something crazy would happen next. Here we have actually spawned on a base plate of grass, and there's a house. So looks like the story that we're going to our friend's house to play or something. I found this to some YouTubers played this game. Just walk through it. There's a window and boom. Where? The boom. Yes. Hello, friend. Look, seems like you came 10 minutes too early. I look hungry. Yeah. Stop, you look hungry. Can go to the kitchen, I'll be waiting. If you go in the kitchen, you will be locked inside for no reasons. And there's an egg here on the table. You should grab it and put it in the microwave. And wait until it's done. But exploded for some reasons. Yeah, if you go out there, this happens. And you're on a pitch black. You can't go through in here. The sound is so loud. So I won't actually go into full solid mode. After you're walking through here, your game will easily crash. I'm not lying. We have talked about it. No one has played this game but once, but some of the people just play once. And that's the end. My damn God. Okay guys, that's maybe today's video. I never knew this game. Oh my God, I just got jump scared by the thing.